guys, I have a freaky flashing light phenomena update to share with you guys. I have exclusive video footage from down here in the Melbourne, Australia area. I didn't realize they too were dealing with a power outage, but during the power outage, you guys are going to see some super rare video footage that was sent in less than 24 hours ago. But before we get to the update, I want to share something with you guys. This is what's going on with the flashing lights. This is a big deal. It's probably bigger than you realize. A lot of people are getting bored with the flashing lights, but keep in mind, this is something that I'm watching super close. All of the videos that I share with you guys are unique in their own way. Yeah, they may all represent flashing lights, but they're all unique. They're from a different person, from a different location. But I wanted to share with you guys what I have that I haven't got to yet. This is one folder here that has well over 100. Here's folder number 2 that has 50. Here's folder number 3. Got around 75. Folder number 4, got around 50. Folder number 5, got around 50. And then all of these here. And then the ones that I've shared with you guys on this map right here, just from the United States, but I've got videos from Scotland, the United Kingdom, Germany, Norway, Sweden, Denmark, Singapore. You're going to see one out of Southern Australia. This map now has been updated, 324 and counting. And also remember, I've received videos that don't have a location on them, probably somewhere in the neighborhood now of 4 dozen. So we're talking well over 700 videos of this mysterious flashing light phenomena. We're going to start down here in Newport, Melbourne, Australia. Video sent in by WTF in the World, taken on March 16th of 2025. This video has narration. Here we go.
So all the power has gone down in Newport. But the street lights are blinking on and off. Usually the lights, all the power goes off, everything goes off. So anybody out there can tell me, why is this?
Okay, make that make sense. Down here in Australia, Melbourne, Australia, there was apparently a widespread power outage. As you can see, the city is dark, with the exception of the flashing streetlights. Why are they flashing? The gentleman that took this video was totally perplexed as to why this row of streetlights were blinking and there was a citywide power outage. I mean, you can't make this stuff up. Here's video number 2 out of Canby, Oregon, sent in by Flashback 315 of 2025. This is another porch light going haywire for unknown reasons. They had never seen it do that before. Video number 3. Here we go, going to Pleasant Hill, California. Video sent in by Victor from 3/8 of 2025. This video has narration. Here we go.
Hey, MrMBB. Didn't think this would happen in my place, but I guess it is. Check it out.
Victor didn't think he would see this flashing light phenomena, but it did occur in his location. This is happening all around the world. This is a big deal. Something is causing this. This folder right here is completely packed full of other examples from other parts of the world. By the time I get the map completely updated, there's going to be well over, if I were to update the map today, there would be almost 750 different locations, different people that have sent in this flashing light phenomena, once again from all around the world. Going from California to Dayton, Ohio, Lynn Mitchell, 3/16 of 2025, also noticed a rogue flashing light. And that's another thing. This phenomena is rogue and random. You never know when or where it's going to show up. Just like Victor was completely surprised to see it in Pleasant Hill, California. Laura Lynn Brandeis out of Las Vegas, Nevada, 3/14 of 2025. Multiple lights flashing in this location. 5:19 a.m. And she too was very surprised, was not expecting that. Video number 6 out of Oklahoma, Jay, 3/15 of 2025 at 9:02 p.m. Lights malfunctioning for unknown reasons. This was the day after the eclipse, but this has been going on long before the eclipse.
Miami, Oklahoma.
I believe he said Miami, Oklahoma. This started back in November of 2024, and it is still going strong to this very day. Eugene, Oregon, Bobo the Spider, 3/14 of 2025. Also noticed the phenomena in Eugene. This video has narration. Here we go.
This building is whack. Eugene, Oregon, March 14th. There's something suspicious around the corner with these flashing lights everyone's talking about. Well, there it is.
That's not supposed to happen. Those are malfunctioning for some reason. Susan Jones, 3/15 of 2025. Gila Bend. Flashing light for no reason. I mean, what's causing this? This is happening all over the world. Next video is out of Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Sylvia Ventura, February 26th of 2025. This video has narration. Here we go.
At the Kroger on Las Casas in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Today is Wednesday, 26, 2025. And we got this. And it's the only two flashing.
And most people, like Sylvia, if you pull into a parking lot and you see these tall lights flashing and malfunctioning, you're going to be compelled to pull out your recording device and start recording, as this just simply isn't normal. But for some reason, since November of 2024, this is kind of the new norm. However, it's very rogue and random. It's not like it's happening everywhere, all the time, every night. You never know when or where it's going to happen.